you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Deriv right here. You can decide from here at Google which type of account you want, because we can select right here create free demo account, but we can also click right here on sign up for a free account. Now I want to create a demo account because I am going to show you guys a lot of information on my channel, but for now we want to create an account. So I click right here on create free demo account, try free demo account, select right here your country and region, and then from here fill in your email address. So I will fill in my email address right there. Then we do next. Then we need to go to our email address because they sent a 6-digit code to our email address and we need to get that code. So we will do that real quick. There we go. Now we need to create a password. So we will do this. And then we do create account. Then we do cancel. Then we do save. And then right now we can start trading, and we can decide if you want to try demo trading or real trading. So make that decision by yourself. But I want to use demo trading. So I click now on try free demo trading. And this is the beginning. Now we are having an account. You see right here that we have a 10K CFD standard, so that is fine. But now we can start trading. And this is exactly what you need to do to get an account on Deriv. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.